I'm Dan O'Connor of Hydro Armor Systems. Or in a basement, there are people with foundation issues that hire contractors, believe in them, and whatever those systems are, they fail. There's been an engineer's report on this foundation, and the possibility exists it can collapse. Something has to be done to prevent any further wall movement. Not only the water and the lateral pressure against the wall, but the basement flooding. This job is going to be done properly with I-beams and a system and backup pumps and thermal armor. But we're going to go to another job. That homeowner hired one of those newfangled contractors with the carbon fiber strips. Well, we're going to show you what carbon fiber strips are. We're going to show you how they don't work. You'll see the results. This is a carbon fiber strip. Right now we're comparing the difference between carbon fiber strips, which is what everybody's going for, and real steel. Good old-fashioned American-made steel. Steel. When I'm done with this job, these walls aren't going anywhere. Ever. Steel. Difference between carbon fiber strips and I-beams. Carbon fiber strip, they basically sand down the block and they glue the carbon fiber strip to the block. That's it. Carbon fiber strip, maybe about 3/8, ½ inch thick. It is designed not to be able to be pulled. If you glue that onto the wall, all right, epoxy, that wall cannot bow, because if it wants to bow, it has to pull. If I put a carbon fiber strip against a concrete floor and there was pressure at the bottom of the wall, it will just snap and the bottom of the wall will come in, which is what I'm going to show you on the other job. Carbon fiber strips, I'm not managing to prevent the wall from blowing in. Down here, the wall is blowing right out. Now, anybody can see that carbon fiber strip just lets the bottom of the wall blow in. The carbon fiber strips, 3 years after the system was installed, those walls are coming in. They're coming in at the bottom, they're even coming in at the corners. Time-tested methods are the best way to go. The problem with time-tested methods, workmanship. That's the bane of this industry. Finding people to do the jobs properly. And that's why I do these videos. Alright, so a properly installed I-beam, you take a 3x2 angle iron, okay? This is 1/4 inch. This is bolted to the floor beams, okay? The I-beam is bolted behind there. Okay, so this is pressing the I-beam against the wall. It's not installed level, all right? And you see this bubble? Okay? I've got it leaned in. There's level. That will be straight. Okay? That would be straight. This is on an angle. Down the bottom, what I like to do, get some tension on the I-beam, pushing the wall back. So I'm already bolted up on top. Now I'm jacking the bottom, 12-ton jack. So I got 12 tons of pressure right now, and that's it. I get a piece of angle iron, jamming in between the bottom of the I-beam and the slab under here, and then release the pressure. Now what this does, it gets some initial pressure against the I-beam and the existing concrete floor. This is steel. It will bend, but for all eternity, it will want to straighten itself back up. Right now, I have 12 tons. It's 24,000 pounds. 24,000 pounds of pressure at the bottom of this I-beam. 24,000 pounds of pressure right in the center of this I-beam, pushing on this wall. Guess what? It's pushing back on this wall, and it will be pushing back on this wall forever. In conjunction with this, you have to have a proper pressure relief system installed. We will remove some of the stone, we'll get our mirror drain in, and we'll have about 8 inches of steel reinforced concrete. The new concrete is 5,000 PSI, and that'll be holding this I-beam in place. Over the next 2 to 3 years, the water outside is going to drain. As that dries up, you've got 24,000 pounds of pressure here, you've got 24,000 pounds of pressure here, you've got 24,000 pounds of pressure here, and these 3 I-beams, they're going to push back on the wall. Do you understand that? Does that make sense? You cannot do that with a carbon fiber strip. If you're watching this video, you're getting other estimates, you don't have to say anything to anybody, all right? Just see if anybody knows it. When I start talking carbon fiber strips, you don't have to tell them you've seen this video. I might not put this one on the website because they don't need to know what I know. Alright, this job's a wrap. You can see the bottom of the I-beams concreted in, 5,000 PSI concrete, bolted up. We got thermal armor on here. This is R15 thermal armor. The forever flooding basement is now fixed. It's a wrap. All ready for finishing. Okay? Try that with carbon fiber strips. Good luck to you.